So friend, today I am talking about a new platform. This platform name is Next IT. So you want to earn money through this site? Simple click on description link and open this page. Then fill email ID, password, security password and click on register button. After register, just click on login. Then fill email ID, password and click on login. After login, you can see this type of latest announcement message. Just read and click on close. First of all, I tell you withdrawal process. I show you withdrawal process. You can see withdraw has been successful and the amount is 2.04 USDT. So I have Binance. I use Binance for transaction, and you can say export and record, and you can see I have successfully received payment through this site. So website is really trusted. Here have the payment proof. So you want to earn money through this site, simply click on recharge button. Here so BEP 20 USDT, TRC 20 USDT, TRX and BNB. So like I have USDT, simple choose right now. Then here have so quantitative account and a smart account. Then here have so a address. Copy this address and open crypto wallet. Here have I know you want recharge, so click on withdraw button. Then here have so USDT and send via crypto network. Long pressed and paste that address. Select network TRC20. Fill amount according to your budget and click on withdraw. After done successful, your fund will be added within 1 to 3 minutes. Here you can see withdrawal button, application download team, and here have help activity application download agent cooperation, and the second way to income is invite friend and free income source. Just click invite friend and copy your referral link and share with your friend, family, relatives and your all social media network for referral earning. The main income source is quantify page. So you can say VIP 1 means AI robot 1, next AI robot 1. Income is cost is $12 and above revenue percentage is 17%. VIP 2 is 90 USDT and above revenue is 22.2%. VIP 3 is 280 USDT and above revenue is 25%. VIP 4 is 720 USDT and above revenue is 25%. BIP 5 1440 USDT and above revenue is 28%. BIP 6 2880 USDT and above revenue is 29.5%. BIP 7 6000 USDT and above revenue is 33.33%. BIP at 12,000 USDT and above revenue is 40%. BIP 9 25,000 USDT and above revenue is 40%. BIP 10 98,800 USDT and revenue is 80%. Here you can see Core Cooperation Financial Institute also. Here also Invest Plus, invest income source. So you can see here a smart investment. You can invest on 3% 7 day 100 USDT cost, 5% 15 day 100,000 USDT cost, and 10% 30 day 2,000 USDT costs. After invest, it's on invested record. After invested, just visit on quantify button and complete your task. After quantify and done. After done everything, you can apply for withdraw. But in case you will face any problem, you can join official customer service through WhatsApp, Telegram and join official channel. It will be 100% solve your query. So after done, just click on withdraw button, fill amount, address, password, click confirm. Then withdraw has been done. After done, you can see you can minimum withdrawal is 1 USDT. You can withdraw only once a day. And after done, just you can see profit assets here, a withdrawal successful. So I just show you proof. So I just open my Binance account, wallet account and sport, and here you can see records, and you can see here I show my funding, and here you can see I have received payment. So website is better, link in description, you can try now. And thanks for watching this video.